Every Frecciarossa begins as carefully selected engineering materials. Italian precision starts long before the first weld. Aircraft-grade aluminum provides exceptional strength with lower weight. Every profile is digitally inspected before manufacturing. Automation ensures every component reaches the correct workstation. Accuracy begins before the first cut. Computer-controlled lasers produce perfectly dimensioned frame sections. Every millimeter matters at 300 kilometers per hour.
Each structural connection is machined with micron-level precision. Perfect alignment guarantees long-term reliability.
The floor frame forms the structural backbone of the train. Laser alignment ensures perfect geometry. Robotic welding creates consistent structural joints. Each weld is monitored in real time.
The roof structure adds rigidity without unnecessary weight. Precision keeps the entire body perfectly balanced.
Friction stir welding produces exceptionally strong aluminum joints. The process minimizes distortion while maximizing strength. Advanced laser scanners verify every surface. Only perfect body shells continue to production. Lightweight exterior panels shape the train's aerodynamic body. Every panel must fit with extreme precision. Mechanical fasteners and aerospace adhesives work together. This combination improves strength and durability. The famous Frecciarossa profile is now complete. Precision alignment ensures stable, high-speed performance. The primary body structure is now complete. Next, the Frecciarossa transforms into a fully equipped high-speed train. The completed shell now enters the interior assembly stage. Every surface is cleaned before new components are added. Advanced insulation keeps passengers comfortable and safe. It also reduces vibration and outside noise. Thousands of electrical connections power every train system. Each cable follows an exact digital route. Electrical cabinets distribute power safely throughout the train. Every connection is tested during installation. High-speed data links connect every onboard system. Reliable communication is essential for modern rail travel. Efficient airflow keeps every passenger comfortable. The climate system is built for all seasons. Precision installation minimizes vibration and noise. Every unit is calibrated before operation.
Balanced airflow improves passenger comfort. Every compartment is tested before finishing.
Lightweight composite flooring reduces total train weight. It also improves durability and passenger safety.
Interior panels give the cabin its modern appearance. Every panel must fit seamlessly.
Integrated ceiling modules simplify assembly. They also improve long-term maintenance. The cabin comes to life with its first lighting test. Every circuit is verified before final assembly. Perfect sealing protects the train for decades. Quality inspections follow every installation. The train body is now fully enclosed. Next comes the luxurious passenger interior.
The passenger cabin now begins to take shape. Each seat starts with a lightweight precision frame.
Every mounting bolt is tightened to an exact specification. This ensures stability throughout the train's service life.
Comfort is engineered into every passenger seat. Premium materials are carefully fitted by hand.
Modern travel demands comfort and convenience. Each seat includes integrated passenger amenities.
The luggage racks combine strength with lightweight construction. They are aligned with millimeter precision. Efficient LED lighting creates a bright and comfortable cabin. Each circuit is tested before final approval. Digital displays provide real-time travel information. The network connects every coach together.
Clear announcements improve passenger safety and comfort. Every speaker is individually calibrated.
Integrated cameras enhance onboard security. Every viewing angle is carefully verified.
The driver's cab is the command center of the train.
Every component is positioned with extreme precision. Advanced digital controls simplify train operation. Every connection is checked before power-up. The cab electronics undergo their first system check. Every function must pass before assembly continues.
The panoramic windshield offers excellent forward visibility. It is designed for strength and aerodynamic efficiency.
A perfect seal protects the cab in every weather condition. Quality checks ensure long-term durability. An advanced epoxy primer protects the aluminum structure. It also creates the perfect base for the final paint. Controlled heat bonds the primer to the aluminum. This step ensures long-lasting corrosion resistance. Every square centimeter is inspected before painting. Only flawless surfaces move forward. The famous Frecciarossa red begins to appear. Robotic precision delivers a perfectly even finish. Multiple paint layers enhance depth and durability. The glossy finish defines the train's iconic appearance. The clear coat protects against weather and sunlight. It also creates the train's brilliant shine. Carefully controlled curing maximizes paint durability. The finish becomes ready for final detailing. The final branding gives the train its unmistakable identity. Every decal is positioned with precision. The polished finish reflects world-class craftsmanship. Now attention turns beneath the train. The bogies carry the train safely at high speed. Every component must withstand enormous forces. Each wheel set is engineered for stability and durability. Precision alignment is critical for smooth travel.
The advanced suspension ensures exceptional ride comfort. It also maintains stability at very high speeds.
Powerful braking systems ensure safe operation. Each assembly is inspected before testing. Electric traction motors provide smooth, powerful acceleration. Each motor is aligned for maximum efficiency. The body and bogies come together with millimeter precision. This is one of the most critical assembly stages. Every mounting bolt is tightened to an exact specification. Secure connections ensure safe, high-speed operation. Power, braking, and communication systems are now linked. The train is becoming fully operational. The pantograph collects electrical power from overhead lines. It is essential for high-speed electric operation. The pantograph collects electrical power from overhead lines. It is essential for high-speed electric operation. High-voltage systems demand careful installation. Every connection is verified before testing. The roof houses several critical electrical systems. Every component is positioned for easy maintenance. Every rooftop component undergoes a final inspection. Accuracy is verified before electrical activation. The Frecciarossa comes alive for the first time. Engineers carefully monitor every system. Thousands of electronic functions are checked automatically. Only fault-free systems continue. The pantograph must maintain perfect contact at high speed. Every movement is electronically measured. Indoor testing simulates real operating conditions. The drivetrain is evaluated before leaving the factory. The pantograph must maintain perfect contact at high speed. Every movement is electronically measured. Heavy rain simulation verifies complete weather protection. Every seal must remain perfectly watertight. Final inspections ensure world-class quality. Only approved trains move to real-world testing. The completed Frecciarossa begins its first outdoor journey. Every movement is monitored in real time.
Electric traction delivers smooth, powerful acceleration. Engineers analyze every performance parameter.
High-speed stability is essential for passenger safety. The train remains smooth and precisely controlled.
Powerful brakes bring the train safely under control. Critical braking performance is carefully verified.
Passenger comfort is measured with scientific precision. Even tiny vibrations are carefully analyzed.
The aerodynamic design minimizes drag and energy loss. Every detail contributes to efficient high-speed travel.
Thousands of measurements confirm overall performance. The engineering team reviews every result.
Small adjustments ensure peak performance. The train is nearly ready for certification.
Certification markings complete the manufacturing process. The train now carries its official identity.
The final detailing highlights the train's premium finish. Every surface is prepared for delivery. The passenger cabin receives its final inspection. Everything is prepared for a premium travel experience. Months of engineering and craftsmanship lead to this moment. The Frecciarossa is ready for service. The completed train begins its journey across Italy. Years of innovation now meet the railway.
From raw aluminum to one of Europe's fastest trains, every step reflects precision engineering. This is the complete manufacturing.